Hi, buddy. This is Mr. Fowley again, and we are picking up where we left off. This is part 2. There is a part 1. Please watch part 1 of 10.4 before you watch part 2. Thank you. Sorry, it messed up. So, you have antifreeze. Boiling liquid in the engine can cause major damage. Antifreeze, a solution, prevents the liquid from boiling at a high temperature, so that's safer. Freezing point depression. Depression means going down, 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 down. Water freezes in a very specific arrangement due to its intermolecular forces. Look at that hexagon. Isn't that pretty? Solute particles get in the way. So if I have a big chunk of something in the way, it's going to be harder for those bonds to form. They've got to shoot it out and get rid of it. Okay. You need to make the solution even colder to make it freeze. So real world examples, some more. When salt is added to the streets, it dissolves in the ice and lowers the freezing point, which means it melts at 2 degrees Fahrenheit as well as 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that something different? Who really thought that would happen? As well as 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Tink. So salt on the roads means it has to be close to 0 to freeze. Yeah, I can drive 80 on ice. Woohoo! Solution suspension and colloid. Solution has small particles. They're homogeneous. No Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is where you've got a beam of light that shows up in the solution. But that doesn't happen for a solution. It never settles out and it's unfilterable. Colloid has the Tyndall effect. Hey, this is the one where the little beam of light. If I shine my flashlight. Oh yeah, I've got flashlight drawing skills. Welcome to my 1984 flashlight. And it shows up in between there. Never settles out and it's unfilterable. Suspension's biggest particle size. They're heterogeneous. It's opaque, meaning if you shine a light on it, it won't shine through. Settles and filterable. It doesn't mean it's colored. Solutions can be colored. We had red Kool-Aid and you can see all the way through it, but it means opaque. There's the Tyndall effect. Look at the beam of light. No Tyndall. 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 No Tyndall. You can speed up dissolving by stirring. Heating a solution, increasing the surface area. Basically what this means is for all of these, we have more collisions of water and solute per second. I put per second. Per second. So all of these are basically just moving the particles around faster so you got more collisions. Faster does not mean more. Dilutions. You dilute a solution by adding or diluting it, so you're making it less concentrated by adding more solvent. And for us, it's typically water. Not always, but usually. What will the new concentration be? This is the formula for it. Molarity 1, volume 1, equals molarity 2, volume 2. Perhaps you might even want to use molarity before, volume before, molarity after, volume after. Both those are the same. Dilution practice. Okay. So, I have molarity 1. Okay, so 150 milliliters, 2.5 molar HCl is diluted to 300 milliliters. I'm watering it down. What's the new concentration? I could tell you it's less. Molarity 1, whoops. I'll call it molarity A. I'll call it molarity 1. Molarity 1, volume 1 equals molarity 2, volume 2. So, 2.5 times 150 equals new molarity times 300. Molarity equals 2.5 times 150 over 300. That would be 1.25. How much 4 molar KNO3 solution would be needed to make 450 milliliters 1.4? Those guys go together, right? Number of means times. So M1, V1 equals M2, V2. Molarity 1, 1.4. Volume 1, 450. Equals molarity 2, 4. Volume 2 is volume 2. V2 equals 1.4 times 450 over 4. And get out your calculator. My calculator getting out takes a lot of noise. And I get 1.4 times 450 divided by 4. And I have 157.5 milliliters. And we're review time. Boiling point goes up, freezing point. Separation is by physical properties. That, remember, was all about our online lab we did in class today. Tyndall effect is for colloids only. Ionic compounds are electrolytes because they have ions. And M1V1 equals M2 something. I forgot. Oh, V2. Oh, and that 2 stands for Toodles.